stroke you up. I don't mind. You won't mind if I stroke you down. All through the night. I don't mind. Mind if I stroke you up. I don't mind. Do you mind if I stroke you down? All through the night. Hey guys, hope you guys are good. We've got an alphabet M over here. Our celebrity tarot reading is going to be about Minnie Dlamini. So, starting with card, kwaphuma uBaby. Aziseyisha kwaphuma uSikhumbuzo. Kwaphuma uGucci. Kwaphuma uMhle. Kwaphuma Andiyazi in the reverse. Kwaphuma umntana ozayo in the upright. So Minnie, what into ndiyibonayo apha Minnie is that you are going to have another baby. Ukhona umntana ozayo nizoba yinkwenkwe again. Baby, umntana ozayo from this guy otshate naye ngoku. I see Gucci over here, meaning this guy uyathanda ukuthengela luxury things. This is a guy omfamatileyo empilweni yakho. Gucci uyathanda ukuthi umhle. You're going to have a baby boy from this guy that you've affirmated. I see that you have given up on love at some point empilweni yakho. And then ke kwathiwa khawujoyina i-dating sites ngitshomi zakho wayijoyina, it didn't work out. Then you went on an event and then you met this guy, Minnie. You went on an event and then you met this guy. And mazibani igama lakhe, but you would know. You met this guy's Kumbuzo, but he wants another baby. I see you Andiyazi in reverse, meaning a decision uzenza ngokwakho. But I also see that as you decisions, you like to put your partner ebe nguye umuntu in charge othatha i-decisions kwi-household. But most of the time, nguwe umuntu nguwe oshaya isiginci. So you're going to have a baby boy from this guy taking like fancy things, Gucci. Something about Gucci. Maybe you like Gucci. Okay, this guy ochate naye ngoku likes Gucci. Okay? So kumntana ozayo, I want to say congratulations in advance. What we're going to do now, so check out lucky number yakho. Okay? For Minnie Dlamini. Do you mind if I stroke you up? I don't mind. Do you mind if I stroke you down? I don't mind. I see in the bedroom you are the you are the lioness. Do you mind if I stroke you up? I don't mind. Do you mind if I stroke you down? I don't mind. I don't mind. You are the one who makes decisions. I don't mind. I don't mind. Do you mind if I stroke you up? I don't mind. Join it. Okay, come B up. Okay, your number. Last time you come with 5 when I shuffled. Let's see now. Ezenza umuntu wakhona angalali ahambe ebusuku. Lezi izinto zakhona ezenza umuntu wakhona angalali ahambe ebusuku. Nightlife. I see ngiyayithanda number 5. Okay, lucky number 5. Meaning your lucky number is number 5. So it's either on the 5th of May, okanye on a Friday, okanye something about 5 is significant, linking in empilo yakho. Something about number 5. It's either number 5 is your lucky number, okanye Friday is your favorite day of the week. Minenhle Dlamini, ubene minenhle Dali. I hope this reading reaches to you. I wish you all the best in advance. Mntana wakho oyinkwenkwe, I don't know what you will tell me what's name. If ever le reading yafika kuwe, I know it will. You have a minenhle Dali. It's all about you. Bye-bye.